We'll start. Okay. So here, first of all, what is agile? So agile is a time box, no? And it is a iterative approach to all the software where it is going to be delivered all the softwares with incrementally, right? So whenever the project has been started, they will be collecting all the requirements at the starting, and in between they will be in contact with the customers or the clients, or the end users, and they will be gathering all the requirements, and that all requirements are going to be included from their end and trying to deliver that all things, right? So why this agile means, mainly it is an iterative approach. Why we are saying it is a iterative approach? So yesterday we have discussed one example, right? Whenever the mobiles are going to be released, some versions, some names like Pro 1, Pro 2, like that, they are going to be updating some features and releasing one by one versions, right? So like that here, the whatever the software development that helps the teams to deliver value to their customers faster and with the fewer headaches, right? Instead of betting everything on a big bang, okay, they will be launching in a form of versions now. And here agile team will delivering the works in a small parts. Okay, whatever the project is there, they will be divided into some small parts, and team is going to be working on particular versions and particular projects, right? So incrementally they are doing the changes. That's why we need this agile, right? Incrementally we are doing. So as we discussed here, waterfall model, it was the base model, right? Waterfall model, it was the base model. And agile, nowadays every organization and companies, they are going to be preferring this agile model, right? Why this agile model means, here incrementally the changes are going to be updated. Okay, we can incorporate the changes easily. But whenever we are using this waterfall model, okay, whenever we are using this waterfall model, here changes are not going to be done. Okay, here changes are not going to be done very easily. But compared to this agile model, okay, we can why we are including the changes and updating, that means here agile model will be following all, like communication, planning, okay, modeling, deployment, testing, these all levels it will be following at each and every step ma. Okay, whenever they are gathering the requirements, if they got any new, means depend upon the customer feedback or the client feedback, they will be including in that, and they will be performing all these steps, okay, testing, and finally they will be deploying. If any again feedback will be coming, means they will be including in that, like that cycle will be following, right? So coming to this waterfall model, only one time they are going to be interacting with the customer and gathering their requirements and their reviews from that, and depend upon that their need and the criteria, they will be starting. Okay, once this level has been means whatever the requirements is there, okay, whatever the requirements is there, once they have started, means until unless this block has been completed, then only they will be moving to the next level now. Okay, next level analysis, next level designing. Okay, once the designing done, now anything changes they want to do at the analysis statements, it is not possible in this waterfall model, right? But it is possible in this agile model, right? Agile model. So here, simply we can say that agile model means, before going to this, simply we say that the agile model can do the changes, can include the changes in between the requirements. Waterfall model cannot do the changes easily, right? So we can incorporate all the changes by involving the customer need and the requirements in the agile model, right? Yesterday we have discussed one of the example also. In organization, two teams are there, some X team and Y team. Okay, whenever the project is assigned, X team will be selecting one traditional waterfall model, and Y team will be selecting agile methodologies. Okay, based upon that, they will be developing their projects. Okay, So here, whenever the customer is giving any changes, means X team can't update that changes. Okay, they cannot incorporate that all changes. If they want to incorporate also, they have to follow all levels from first to last. Okay, in between easily they can't include that all the changes. Okay, directly final delivery will be done in this waterfall model. But coming to the Y team, who is using this agile methodology for their project, if the customer is giving any requirements, any changes, okay, initially, okay, they will be implementing, okay, and incrementally they will be increasing, okay, means they will be adding their requirements and changing, okay, giving that status reports to the stakeholders or the customers. Okay, once that stakeholder will be checking that report, okay, and giving the feedback, okay, and giving the feedback to the feedback, and here developers according to that they will be changing and updating, and they will be following this all communication planning, okay, these all levels they will be using, okay, and then they will be applying all that, okay, they are going to be applying that all levels and adding all the requirements and releasing, right? At last they will be testing and releasing, right? After releasing also, if they get any reviews, okay, again same cycle will be following now. Same cycle will be following, collecting the feedback, and depend upon that feedback, final product will be delivered. Okay, final product will be delivered to the customers, right? So like that, here agile will be, means it can simply we can say that in incrementally changes are going to be updated and releasing in a form of new versions and updating. అలా చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? Benefits time to market. Okay, whatever the customers, whatever the users need, okay, according to that time to market it will be releasing, and guidance from them, okay, depend upon the feedback, guidance will be there, right? Customer will be happy once that product has been released in time, means customer will be happy, and right product, right, quality should be good. These all things will be included in this agile model, right? So these are the benefits, and we have discussed the differences between the agile and waterfall model, right? So simply we can say in agile changes can be done easily, right? But coming to this waterfall model, changes cannot be done, cannot be incorporated that much easily as we compare to the agile model. Why? Because in waterfall model, if I want to update any change, means I have to follow from first to last levels, right? Communication planning, this all I have to follow from first to last. But coming to this agile model, here no need to no need to follow that all things. Wherever I want to include that all things, all requirements or new data or the new information, easily I can update at any level, right? So at any level I can update. So here they are following, means this agile will be following some iterative development approach, like planning, developing and appears more than once. But ikkada entidi, only once we are following all that levels, communication, developing, planning, testing, okay, this can be done only once. But here more than once we can doing, right? Whenever the new requirements come in, at that time we are applying the CMPD, okay. Here only one time we are applying in waterfall model, right? So here in agile model, what they will be doing means, here small dedicated teams will be working with high degree coordination. Okay, small dedicated teams will be working here. Here team coordination, synchronization will be very limited. And here in this agile model, what they will be doing means, whenever the project came means, they will be divided into some small parts. Okay, each part they will be updating and releasing as a new versions, right? New versions they will be releasing, and here they will be fixing some prices, and depend upon that they are going to be increasing, right? Increasing the cost, like this, right? So here in waterfall model, risk agreement at the beginning of the process will be there, right? Here Here in this agile methodology, it will be works exceptionally well with time and materials, non-fixed funding. It may increase the stress in fixed priced scenarios, right? So whenever the new versions are going to be increasing, at that time, depend upon that, they will be fixing the price and increasing the price. Okay, this will be all headache for them, right? Already we said that small dedicated teams will be working, right? Here very limited, right? And here all the team prepares the requirement just about every day. Okay, every day they will be gathering the requirements, and if customer gives any feedback or anything, okay, they will be updating in that. Here only one time from the beginning, okay, whenever they are going to be starting the project in waterfall model, okay, at the beginning of that stage only they will be gathering all the business analysis. Okay, they will be preparing business analysis before they are starting the project, right? And here the test team can take part in the requirements change without the problems. Okay, testing team will be there, ma. In companies, whenever we people are working, means there will be a different departments, like development department will be there, business analysis, only requirements gathering team will be there. Okay, testing team will be there. Okay, releasing team will be there, like that. Various kinds of teams will be there. If they get any information or any want to do any changes in that, means they can involve and they can give their ideas, and they can without any problem easily they can implement, right? So here it is in this waterfall model, it is difficult for the customer to initiate any changes in requirements. If any changes have been done in requirement, at that time it will be a problematic, right? It will be a problematic. And here they will be following some SDLC processes, right? And here description needs to implement waterfall software development approach. And remember one more point, in agile model they won't maintain the documentation, just they will focus on the updates, requirements, and developing the project. In waterfall model, what they will be doing means they will be starting from the first level to the last level. Whatever they have done, each and everything will be maintained as a documentary, right? Why they will be maintaining this documentation means yesterday we have discussed, right? So if in our team any member has been left, okay, if suddenly new members has been joined, means if anything, if they want to understand, okay, right, they have to know what is going on and what is happening there, then only they can start from that, right? So that will be easy to start. But here they are not going to be maintaining any documentation, so it will be a very difficult to them, right? So like that, here we can say that this agile model, it is a incremental approach, right? And waterfall model, it is a sequential design process. And this agile methodology can be known for the flexibility, right? And this waterfall model can be structured of methodology, so most times it can be a quite rigid, right? So these all things are going to be included, and it is a flexible method, agile. And here no scope of changes will be done. Here at any time we can do the changes, updates, or if I want to include any things, I can include at any level. If I want to do any changes or update, means in waterfall model I have to follow that all the levels from top to bottom, CMPC, right? D, that all levels I have to follow. It become more costly for us, right? So it will be a cheaper for us. The only one drawback is that in agile model they are not going to be maintaining the documentation, but coming to this waterfall model they will be maintaining the documentation, right? So that is the difference between waterfall model and agile model. Very very important question, mark direct question will be there, right? So next we'll see the agile core values. Okay, there are the 4 core values, mainly in this agile. 4 core means they will be depending whenever they are developing any projects, definitely they will be preferring these values. Okay, first one, individual interaction over the process and tools. Okay, and working softwares rather than thorough documentation, right? As we discussed, means here they are working to develop the software only. They are not going to be focusing on the documentation, right? And next, collaboration with customer instead of contract negotiations, right? So here at each and every level, whenever they are going to be developing and preparing this, they will be interacting with that customer or the stakeholders, okay? And they will be getting, and they are involving them, okay, until the last minute of that project, right? So more than planning here, sorry, more than following a plan, respond to the change, okay? So here they won't waste on all the planning, okay? So what are based upon the requirements and the needs of that stakeholder or the customer, changes are going to be done. They will be focusing mostly on that, okay? Depend upon that free feedback, incrementally changes are going to be done, right? So these are the four core values for the agile. One is the individual interactions will be there, right? And they won't maintain the documentation. They will be most probably working on the softwares, and customer is going to be involving at the end of the project also. Okay, they will be involving till the end of the project, and here they will be focused only most on the respond to the changes, ma'am. Okay, so these are the four core values, right? Four core values of the agile model. And this agile model is following some 12 steps. Means, first of all, whenever the product or project has been released, means it have to they have to satisfy the customer. Okay, how they will be satisfy the customer? Early release. Okay, early release or చెప్పిన time కన్నా before a release చేశారనుకోండి, customer will feel happy, right? Like that, satisfy the customer. Okay, whenever the customer is giving any need and the requirements, once you update perfectly, then he will be satisfied, right? He will be satisfied in that case. And మీరు ఆయనకు చెప్పిన టైం కల్లా మీరు బిఫోర్ ఒక 1 week బిఫోర్ రిలీజ్ చేశారనుకోండి, in that case also he may get happy, right? So satisfy the customer. Agile model, first it will be satisfying the customer and welcoming the changing requirements. Okay, whatever the changes are there, they will be including in that. Okay, including in that and updating in that, right? And the third, deliver working software frequently. Means here they will be, మీన్స్ వాళ్ళ వాటర్ ఫాల్ మోడల్ లాగా కాకుండా ఒకటేసారి చేసి లాస్ట్ కి ఒక 1 year అలా రిలీజ్ చేసే బదులు ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తారు వీళ్ళు, frequently they will be updating the things and the requirements in that and releasing within short span of time, right? It will be focusing on that. And building, the fifth one is the building projects around the motivated individuals and trust them to get the jobs done. Okay, first they will be giving the trust. Okay, so believing them. ఓకే, వీళ్ళకి ఎలా నమ్మకం అనేది కలిగిస్తారు అంటే ఫస్ట్ వీళ్ళు ప్రాజెక్ట్ అనేది ఇన్ టైంలో కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి, రైట్? దే హ్యావ్ టు డూ ఇన్ టైం. In time they have to do and complete, and they have to provide, then only the customer will be motivated, and here they are going to be trusting them, right? So how we people are trusting blind గా మనం కొన్ని బ్రాండ్స్ అంటేనే పైసలు వేసేస్తాం, right? So we are throwing some amount, we won't realize and we won't think. Yes, for like Reebok, some Apple laptops, Mac, whatever the cost will be there. Means here we are trusting them. Okay, we are trusting them and we are putting the amount, right? So like that. So business before, sorry, six, the most efficient, yes, the most efficient method of the communication is a face-to-face conversation. Yes, communication will be a face-to-face, and they are going to be interacting with each other with the stakeholders. Seventh one is working software. Okay, primary measure of the progress will be there. Okay, the simultaneously version will be released and they will be getting the progress, okay, whatever the feedbacks they are getting, and they will be uploading that, right? And eighth, agile process promotes sustainable development, right? And ninth, continuous attention to the technical excellence and good design enhance agility. So in companies, ma'am, not only developing team, not only that requirements gathering, testers will be there. Some other teams will be there who will be focusing on all the design. Okay, what to do? Okay, what to do if we add any new changes to that? Okay, what will be happening? Some team will be working still on that. Means ఆ ప్రోడక్ట్ రిలీజ్ అయినా కూడా ఆ టీమ్స్ ఏం చేస్తారంటే దాని మీద ఇంకా వర్క్ చేస్తారు, ఇంకా దానికి ఏమైనా యాడ్ చేయొచ్చా, ఇంకేమైనా చేయొచ్చా, ఎన్హాన్స్ చేయొచ్చా, like that some teams will be working on that. Okay, that is the ninth. And 10th will be the simplicity. Okay, simplicity. And 11th will be the best architecture requirements and design it is going to be providing in self organizing teams, ma. And 12th, the team regularly reflects on how to become more effective. Okay, the teams will be regularly, they are going to be interacting and reflecting, okay, to become more effective whatever the project and whatever they are going to be developing at that time. They are going to be, most probably they will be interacting with each other, right? So this agile model, whenever they are going to be developing any project, at that time they will be following these all 12 values, right? These all 12 things they are going to be included. Okay, depend upon that. Here customer, they have to satisfy the customer. Okay, they have to develop the product within the budget, and they have to get the profit, and customer ki ade time lo, in time lo, okay, have to provide the product. Okay, these all things they have to check. Okay, these all things they have to check. So depend upon this agile model, they are going to be planning and releasing the products easily in a small parts, right? So before it, this is one story, ma'am. So you can read this story why this agile model has been got. Okay, what the changes it has been done, and why this organization is mostly using this agile model. Means simply you can read this slide, you will be getting, right? So this agile does in the software development industry. Okay, mainly why they are using means dividing your task into a smaller bits and managing them in a short period. For that only we are using, right? So the clients can then review and give the feedbacks. Okay, whatever the clients or they will be depending on that. Means here developers will be depending on this client reviews and feedbacks. Okay, that all will be included, and they will be releasing in a form of next episodes. Okay, like in a serials, whatever the reviews, we people watching some of the movies or serials or any web series, right, in apps. At the bottom of that, they will be commenting some persons will be working on that, will be gathering that all views from the customer. What they will be doing, no? That views and that all things, means whatever the good things are there, that they will be including in that, right? మనం ఇప్పుడు ఒక ఏదైనా సీరియల్ చూసాం అనుకున్నాం, దాంట్లో ఏదైనా కొత్తగా చేంజెస్ చేయాలని మనం కమెంట్స్ లో చేస్తే బాగుంటుంది. అదే వీళ్ళు ఇద్దరు కలిస్తే బాగుండే, ఆమె వెళ్ళిపోతే బాగుంటది అన్నట్టు మనం అనుకున్నాం అనుకోండి. They will be collecting if it is good. Okay, customer want to see this scene in that episode, like that. Here they will be collecting the feedbacks, okay, and doing the required changes at the same time, delivering it as in a next episode timely. Okay, whatever the feedback and whatever the reviews we are getting in, they will be collecting and adding in that, and they will be releasing in the next episode, right? So this will be reducing the time. Okay, reducing the rework, reduce your efforts and expenses too, right? So this is, but that's why we are using this agile model. right? Have you understand this story? Once you read that slide so that you can easily understand, ma. Right? So clear till now? Yes, Agile. We have seen the difference between Agile and waterfall model and the 4 core values, and what are the 12 things are included in the Agile model to satisfy their customers, right? And one of the stories there why this how this Agile model is working. Okay, so remember these all things. Okay, thank you, ma. So that we'll continue the next, right? So the next is understanding success. Okay, understanding success. Asal projects తీసుకుంటే how success will be getting, how the team is going to be working, how that organization is going to be involving the various kind of teams, and they will be using some new tools, software. They are all including these all things. Why for successful, right? For successful only they will be involving this all. Means successful మనం ఎప్పుడు అనొచ్చమ్మా? When we can say this successful, success delivery should be there, right? Yes, success when we are saying ma, అసలు సక్సెస్ అయింది అంటే, yes, I need answers from you. Success when we are saying ma, whenever that product is going to be delivered on time, at that time we can say success. On budget means within that low budget that project has been developed means, okay, that is also one type of success, right? According to the specification and the requirements the product has been developed means that is also a success, right? So you can see here understanding the success. See in diagram, here I have shown that agile and waterfall. Whenever we team X and team Y is using these different models on their project, right? So team X, I said that team X has been used waterfall model and team Y will be using some agile model. Okay, success will be like that, and success will means how the changes are going to be done. Okay, means we'll understand here first of all what is successful, right? Successful means completed on time, okay, on budget, with all features and functions as originally specified. Okay, that is the successful, right? Challenged means completed and operational but over budget. Okay, అంటే కంప్లీట్ అయింది కూడా, ఆపరేషన్ అయింది కూడా, అండ్ రిలీజ్ దే హ్యావ్ రిలీజ్ దట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ but over budget. Whatever the estimated budget is there, okay, that is has been exceeded, right? దానికన్నా ఎక్కువ అయిపోయింది, right? That is the challenge. Means over time also చెప్పినాం, మనం ఏం చెప్పినాము, 3 months లో project will be going to be complete and released, right? And if that is the challenge, and fewer features and functions than originally specified, right? And the third one is the impaired. Okay, impaired means fail. Whenever the cancer projects are going to be cancelled or they are going to be closing means with sorry, if the requirement is not going to be matching, and that that scenario or that requirement is not working properly, at that time we can say that it is a fail, or simply we can cancel that all things, right? So these all are the understanding. Okay, successful, challenge, impaired. Okay, successful means everything perfect గా అయి ప్రాఫిట్ వచ్చి అన్ని కస్టమర్ సాటిస్ఫై అయితే సక్సెస్ఫుల్. ఛాలెంజ్ మీన్ టైం ఎక్కువ తీసేసుకొని 3 months చెప్తే 4 months లో చేసి చేంజెస్ ఇంకా పెండింగ్ ఉన్నాయి, మీరు అప్పటి వరకు యూజ్ చేయండి, నేను తర్వాత మళ్ళా చేస్తా చేంజెస్ అని అలా చెప్పిన దాన్ని ఛాలెంజ్ అంటాం, రైట్? అండ్ ఇంపేర్డ్ ఫెయిల్యూర్ మీన్స్ వేర్ ఎవర్ ద ఫెయిల్యూర్స్ ఆర్ గెట్టింగ్, ఆయనకు తెలియకుండానే మీరు తీసేసి క్యాన్సల్ చేసేసి, ఓకే, అట్ ద పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ సైకిల్లో అలా చేసేదాన్నే మనం ఇంపేర్డ్ అండ్ ఫెయిల్డ్ అంటాం, రైట్? Yes. So Indratej, customer satisfaction, right? Bindu Priya, in time delivery within the expected budget. Yes, ma, that is right. Successful definitions. Okay. So this is about the understanding the success, how this agile software development cycle is following means planning, designing, developing, okay, testing and evaluating. Based on that evaluating, meet will be there with the stakeholder and the customer. If any feedback or any review, anything they got means again will do these all things. Okay, they will be following the software development life cycle and delivering that project to the customers in time, right? So this is about the understanding of success, right? Understanding of success means successful means completed on time. Okay, challenge means not in time, impaired means cancelled at some point of time, right? So that is the understanding success. And coming to the beyond deadlines, okay, beyond deadlines means there has to be more to success than meeting deadlines. The people funding the work, the value of the software had to exceed it cost. Okay, success meant delivering value to the organization. So three types of success will be there. Okay, I said that success will be there. Okay, what we discussed, success means profit should be there in time. We have to deliver the product, we have to satisfy the customers, right? So that all things that all depends upon the need and the criteria. Another three types of success will be there. Okay, personal success will be there. You will have trouble motivating yourself and employees, right? And technical success will be there second, and the third one is the organizational success will be there. So technical success means without technical success your source code will eventually collapse under its own weight, right? Own weight. If we are writing one code means if that code is not working properly and directly we are implemented and running that code means if anything happens that will be loss for us. If everything has happened good means then that is one success. Yes, you people are executing some Python program or anything without any errors, if you are getting the output means yes, technical success. And organization success, without organization success your team may find that they are no longer wanted in the company. Okay, uh, these are the three types of successes, right? So clear ma till now?